In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a YouTube video in Canva. If you've ever wanted to add a video testimonial, a tutorial clip, or any helpful YouTube content directly into your Canva design, this process is much easier than trying to use screenshots or sending people off to an external link. Instead of downloading large video files or interrupting the viewer's experience, Canva gives you a built-in way to place interactive video content right inside your project. So let's go ahead and walk through it together. First, open Canva and head into the project where you want the video to appear. From the Canva homepage, you can either look through your recent designs or open the project section from the left-hand sidebar. Once you find the presentation, document, or website design you want to update, open it so it loads into the main editing screen. Make sure you're on the exact page or slide where the video should be placed, because that will save you time when you start inserting and arranging it. Next, move over to the left side of the editor and click on Apps. This opens Canva's app panel where you can access different integrations. At the top of that panel, use the search bar and type YouTube, then press Enter. When the YouTube app appears, click on it to open the official integration. This is the tool Canva uses to bring YouTube videos directly into your design in a cleaner and more interactive way. Now open a separate browser tab and go to the YouTube video you want to use. Copy the full link from the address bar, then return to Canva. In the YouTube app panel, click into the search field, paste the video link, and press Enter. Canva will pull up the video preview for you inside the panel. This is a useful step because it confirms Canva recognizes the exact video you want before you place it into the design. Once you see the video preview, click on the thumbnail. Canva will automatically insert the video player onto your page. From there, you can resize it by dragging the corner handles and move it into position by clicking and dragging the frame. As you align it on the page, Canva's guidelines will appear to help you center it neatly and keep your layout balanced. Try to leave enough space around the player so it looks intentional and easy to interact with. Finally, double-click the embedded video to test that it plays correctly inside Canva. This quick check helps you confirm everything is working before you share the project. When you're ready, click Share in the top right corner and choose a sharing option, such as a view-only link or a Canva website link, depending on how you plan to present it. Copy that link and your design is ready to be shared with an interactive YouTube video built right in. That's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in